What up, guys? This is Mike. First of all, I want to give a shout out to the man who developed the system, Master B Jones, Brian Jones, and the man who helped me fine tune and understand and basically learn how to implement the system in my trades, Alejandro. So the system is basically a way of identifying trends, short-term trends in the market, the S&P 500 to be exact. You can use the system for day trading, scalps, or even swing and long-term trades. I use it for day trading and occasionally swing trades. Can you use the system for other stocks like, say, Apple, Amazon, and whatnot? Yes, you can, but the system works best and was developed for the 30-minute SPX chart. Once again, that's the SPX chart, which correlates to SPY. So what's the difference between SPX and SPY? When you're buying option contracts, price. So we monitor SPX and we play SPY. You can play SPX, but it is costly. So the first thing that you're going to need is to set up your indicator. On here, you start out with the 50 SMA. SMA stands for simple moving average. On my chart right here, I have it colored as the green line right here. So the 50 SMA lets you know what trend and who's in charge, whether it be bears or bulls in the market. So if and when you see the price, which is these candles are the prices of the candles represents the price of the stock or the SPX ticker. If it's below the 50, below the green, that tells you that the bears are in control and are driving the market down. They're selling. So that's where you go and you buy your puts. If you don't know the difference between puts and calls right now, then you probably shouldn't jump into trading options right away. Want to look into that first, or hit me up and we can talk about that. But so below the 50 SMA, the market is going down. The trend is that the market is going down. The bears are in control. As price goes above the 50 SMA, it's just the opposite. The market is going up. The bulls are in control. Okay, so that's the first indicator that you need to use. So the next thing you're gonna need, the 10 SMA. On mine, I have it as the red line right here. That is the 10 SMA. This is the 10 SMA serves as your confirmation. So when the so we see when the price goes below the 50, we're like, oh, like the bears are in control, the market's going down, right? But you want confirmation. You want to know for sure. So you wait to see that the red or the 10 SMA crosses the 50, crosses the green. That is your visual representation. That is your go, buy puts, sell. So below the 50, bears are in control. Above the 50, bulls are in control. The 10 gives you confirmation, gives you the signal. The 10 is your signal. It signals what to do, what direction to go into. It goes below, you sell. It goes above, you buy. You buy calls. Okay? So it's literally that easy. It's I can't express how easy it is, and you don't have to trade every day because all it's doing is catching trends. So if you play it right and you play it smart, you go and buy your puts, and it say it's a bearish day or whatever, the trend is it's going to be going down for a while. So you're making shit, you're making anywhere from 20 to and up percent, 100% based on certain trends. If you're day trading, you know, you get out at the end of the day. You know what I mean? But some people, I like to try to swing trades because I don't like getting same day contracts, because same day contracts on SPY, like the theta and the chop will just eat away your contracts, and it's just like, I don't like it. I like buying safety. So I would get like a 2-day contract. So if I'm feeling good about this trend and I see this is a big gap between the 10 and the 50, that tells me that things are still going to continue going down. So I will swing, meaning hold on, carry over my contract to the next day, as in this example right here, carried over and it still went down. And as you see in this example right here, you see that the price crosses the 50 going up. So naturally thinking, oh, we're now trending upwards. Yes, this is true. You can get in here, or you can, this, like, what's for safety, wait for the confirmation, right? Once that crosses the 50, there's a new trend. The bulls are in control, and you can ride that trend to the next, to wherever you feel appropriate to get out of your contract. A lot of people ask, like, when should I take profit? When should I cash out and whatnot? That is all dependent on you. You cash out when you feel comfortable with what you've made. At the same time, don't ever let a good trade, like a green trade, go red. Meaning, like, don't stay in it thinking, oh, it's gonna go up forever, it's gonna go up forever, or the direction that you want forever, and you're just gonna like stay there and like try to be greedy basically, because any change in direction will eat away at your profits, and you may end up say $200, be down $50. It's that, like, it's happened. It's that easy. Like, take money out when you feel comfortable, depending on how many contracts you get. If you have you buy 2 contracts, right? Rule of thumb, I would cut after 20%, just for safety. And then I would let the other one ride till, basically, like I said, till you feel comfortable. Most people buy more than 2 contracts, but contracts are expensive. So if you're just starting out, you're probably only going to be buying 1 or 2 contracts. So going forward, do not go trading right away after viewing this video. I'd like for you to at least watch the market for a bit, using these indicators, waiting to see when the right time would basically be good to go in. So basically paper trade, just watch. Like I've said before, no need to trade every day. If you just trade the breakouts, the trend breakouts, you will make enough money to be happy for the week. That's how it's worked for me. I am not, like I said before, I am not big on all these other charts and all these graph reading and everything, and I don't have time to sit all day in front of a screen. So I feel the system works best. It takes the busy work and the hard part out of trading. You know, like, it's basically trading smart. I hope you liked the video. If there's any questions you have, please ask me. That's pretty much it.